Hello everyone, I'm excited to announce that my sword is now complete. There might be a few minor adjustments, but they won't alter its appearance or characteristics. I'm also thrilled to announce the launch of my Kickstarter. Both STL files and physical copies of the sword will be available. Let's discuss the features I've incorporated and how they differ from the previous version. The movable mechanism is driven by a 12-volt motor with a maximum power output of 24 watts. Inside the sword hilt there is a control board, an audio board, a display and speakers, collectively having a power output of 10 watts. It's powered by 3 hot-swappable 18650 batteries. Features include a charging port and volume control. The entire system is now overseen by the TNC4 board, which is notably powerful. It's paired with an extensive library brimming with the audio function. It has an on-off switch. Upon activation, it plays an idle sound. From what you see in this advanced electronic setup, it might appear intricate. To simplify things, I will provide a guide outlining various configurations. Simple setup. This has no circuit boards and produces no sound. A button merely completes the circuit to power the motor. Advanced setup. With 1 or 2 boards in this configuration, sound will be emitted, albeit with the brief pauses between tracks. Unfortunately, I have yet to find a solution that enables the seamless sound transition in this setup. Maximum setup. This setup encompasses all the previously mentioned features. Given the design's intricacy, I am contemplating launching a singular board that would consolidate the functions of the current 6 boards. Additionally, I aim to introduce a comprehensive kit comprising all essential components required for assembly, from the motor and battery compartment to screws. In this version I slightly enlarged the trigger as requested, to facilitate pressing it while wearing gloves. I've added a compartment for electronics and redesigned the casing to accommodate 18650 batteries. The previous blade was printed using a roll printer in one piece. This blade was printed in the 3 parts without any issues. For smaller printers, there will be options to divide it into 4 or 5 parts. I am delighted with the outcome. The sword is lightweight and comfortable. I believe you appreciate it as well. I've also planned various styles for the sword. Since the challenging technical aspects have been addressed, creating other styles should pose no problem. This style will become available as we reach stretch goals. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.